What's going on, guys? It's Kevin here with Be Quiet, and welcome to our awesome suite at the Grand Hyatt for Computex 2026. We've got some pretty cool things on display here, and the first thing I wanted to feature is our brand new chassis. Is it ready yet? No, not yet. It's a P1 sample, but the cool thing is that we actually get to show it off and to show you some of the cool features that it actually has. This is the Pure Base 803. It is actually the 803 LX White, and it is a completely toolless ginormous case. It supports everything from 140 millimeter fans to 420 millimeter radiators to EAB motherboards. You can actually see that the wiring tray gets to slide back, and you can actually have the support for the biggest, the baddest motherboards that you have on the planet. Furthermore, we also have the availability of the Pure Base 803 in airflow, which gives you the option for not only having hard drive caddies, if that's your fancy, but it can also be changed out to have fan support as well. Now, the airflow model is actually going to come with a solid side panel, so there is no actual glass, and the backside is going to be porous to help you have more airflow for not only your fans, but your power supply as well. It's a single chamber design, but it has everything, basically the same type of features that all the Be Quiet cases normally have. So let's go on and carry on to the next thing that we're going to talk about. And honestly, to be perfectly honest with you, I really like the new fans that we've come up with. It's basically the Light Wings Pro IO. What that is, it's going to be your fan frames. And we'll actually take a look at them over here. Okay, so the Lightwings Pro IO come in a couple different flavors, not only in white, but also not only in white, but also in black, and have the ability to be daisy chained together. You can hook up to 3 different devices off of one controller, and then daisy chain those controllers together as well, significantly cutting down on the overall number of cables that you have inside of your case. This is going to be integrated into our Be Quiet IO Center software as well, giving you the possibility of controlling not only the frame edge, but the illumination throughout the inside of the impeller. But then furthermore, if you want to go into zones or individual LEDs, or honestly change it to whatever you want it to do, it's up to you when you use the software. Now, our software actually has been coming quite a long way. And now this is going to be a development kit of the software, so please bear with us because it's not all ready just yet. But what we're featuring is our Dark Power Pro 14 IO. And as the name suggests, IO works with our IO Center. And if you go to the home here, you can see all of our products that are actually residing in the Lightbase 900 FX that's sitting over there, including the Light Mount, the the Dark Power Pro 14, and also the AIO. And all of these things can be controlled throughout the software. But for simplicity, this particular model, we wanted to show that the Dark Power Pro 14 1300 watts can actually be monitored directly from the unit itself inside of IO Center. It can monitor not only the 12-volt rail, your 5-volt rail, your 3.3, and it might not be as sophisticated as some of the other manufacturers by going per pin, but gives you a general advantage of just an average of these these wattages that are being pulled. Furthermore, we actually have a cost per kilowatt option that's embedded into the system, so you can actually kind of see how much money you're spending depending on how long you're running and how much wattage is being pulled by the power supply. As you can see, it's fluctuating between anywhere from 100 to 400 watts, depending on what the pull is, because we're running a 5070 Ti amp in there running Cinebench through bottom. But it gives you that option to really see and monitor all of the power that's being drawn from that particular unit. Pretty neat feature, especially when you're talking about integration for all of the ecosystem that Be Quiet is now starting to offer. Again, whether it's your keyboard, your mouse, your AIO, your power supply, whatever, basically anything AI or anything IO is going to be able to be controlled by the IO Center. So that's honestly a pretty quick wrap on the things that we have here on display. We have some of the keyboards. You've seen the keyboards before. This is now our TKL model. So again, not necessarily anything much different, but honestly still offering the same great quality, the same great performance that's included in the light mount, but now as the TKL. Included with that, you're also going to have the mouse pad. It's going to be an XL mouse pad. Both of these items are going to be available. So again, like I said, that's pretty much it what we got here at the Be Quiet Suite. If you have a chance, come on by and take a look at it. If you don't, well, hey, you got a quick recap from the best guy ever, good old Dwayne at Modern Inc. So hey, thank you again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. What's going on, guys? It's Kevin here with Not mod my mods. Holy shit! That's a couple of years ago.